Tired of the normal static invites that look like this? Nothing wrong with them. You want to add a little bit of flair and have something that looks like this? Then join me. You invite, you're going to select a video blank canvas. And you're going to change the background and make it a dark color, this blend with the blue color. And then you're going to add a circle. So you could press C for circle, or you could also go to your elements to go pick your circle there. Then you reduce your circle and make a white dot. Change the color and make it a white. So we want to animate this dot. You're going to select your element and then you're going to go to animation and you're going to select animate, and you want this to pulse. And then if you have Canva Pro, you could set the intensity of the pulse of how intense it should be, and then you set it up like that. Cool. Make that to be like 3 seconds long. Click on the plus button on the next page to add a new page. On the next page, we still want our circle that has a pulse on it, and then we want it to start moving. So we're going to select it on the second page, and then we're going to remove the pulse. Click on pulse and scroll down, select pulse and remove the motion effect on the second slide. What we want it to do now, we want it to start moving. So we're going to select it, click on create an animation. Now we're going to start dragging it because we want to drag everybody to the actual invitation. We're going to click on the circle, click and hold, and start having it move. We want it to go to the second page, and then we add our third page. Go back to our elements and then search for confetti fun. We're going to scroll through the graphics. We're looking for balloons that we could add on our third page for design, like that. But we want the colors of this to be blue and pink. So we're going to leave the blue, this we're going to change to pink, and then this we change to blue, this we change to pink. Align it on top and at the bottom. Next, we're going to add a footprint. So we're going to go back to our element and we're going to look for a baby's footprint. We want a blue and a pink. And lastly, we want to add the text of our invite. Okay, what I want to do with this shape, I'm going to duplicate the shape and have 2 of these shapes. And the one is going to be blue, the other one is going to be pink. And I'm going to select it like this. Click on this other one, also make that pink, and then animate this. Should be animated. Like that. Okay, so let's fix the pink one. Let's make the pink one animate to the girl's foot. And up there. Awesome. I'm very happy with that. So, with my pulse, I just want to add text there that says, it started as a dot. A video is not complete unless it has sounds and music on it. So we're going to be looking for computer typing sounds on the first page. And on the second page, we're going to add a swoosh or a whoosh sound. And on the last page, we're going to add a happy music sound that goes well with the invite that we're creating. thing I want to do is to just split the page into two. Just after the two balls go to the little tiny feet, we can then have these words animate on the fourth page. On the third page, select the text and delete it so that it's blank like this. Let's have a look at how it looks like. Now on your fourth page, we're going to click on the text and animate the text. So we're going to select animate. I like the wipe. So let's make it wipe in, not that fast, a little bit slow. From that side as well as this. And then make sure on your fourth page that the balls are gone, because we don't want them to be animated again on the fourth page, because on the third page we have added them on the tiny little feet. And let's see how it looks like. The last thing you would do is to download. Make sure that you've connected your social media accounts to your Canva if you're using the music that's on Canva. Otherwise, use websites like mixkit.co to download music that you can use on social media. You just click on download and you download it as an MP4 player. That's why Canva also wants you, if you're using it on your social media accounts, to connect your social media accounts. If you enjoy this kind of content, go check out this video that we've created to create an invite that's also animated. Thank you so much for joining me today. I will see you on the next video.